So those are single quoted strings and double quoted strings. Here's a list of all the special characters that you can put in double quoted strings. There's also a HereDoc. So here's the syntax for HereDoc. It's angle, 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 then a tag name, and then a blob of text, and then the tag name again followed by a semicolon. So this is a way of defining multi-line blobs of text. So for example, if I wanted to include all the text that's on this page, or let's just go ahead and grab this blob here. I'm going to grab all this text to here and copy it. And then I'm going to go to PHP Storm and paste all that text in. So here's a big blob of text, multi-line. If I want to put all of this text into a single string, the easiest way to do it is say blob of text equal angle, 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 and then I give it the name of this blob of text, whatever I want to call it. So let's call it my text blob. And then everything from here down to here, I have to have a completely blank line. Starting in the first column, I put my text blob semicolon return. Very important that there are no spaces after the semicolon or before the semicolon or before the my text blob. This has to start on the first column here, and the name here has to match here. And if you do everything correctly, everything inside of this blob of text is treated the same way as if it was in one big double-quoted string. So let's echo pre and then $ blob of text and then end pre. Now this will not work because I'm in a single quoted string, and so this won't get evaluated. So I have to make this be a double quoted string. And now this will get replaced by this blob of text. So let's go ahead and reload. So here's the literal blob of text with variable replacement and backslash replacement, just like it was a double quoted string. So you'll notice that the backslashes and such got replaced. So backslash, backslash turned into a single backslash, backslash $ turned into a single $, and so on. What if I want to treat it like a single quoted string instead of a double quoted string so that nothing gets replaced in here? Well, what we just looked at was called the HereDoc. There's also a NowDoc, which works exactly the same, except it treats the contents as a double quoted, as a single quoted string. And really, the only difference is if I put my text blob in single quotes and then hit reload, now it's interpreted just as a single quoted string. So no variable substitution except for the same ones that are supported in a single quoted string. So that's occasionally handy, but it's also fraught with peril because once again, if you have any extra spaces here, or if your new line character is different, all sorts of things can go wrong. So I generally stay away from these and usually use single quoted strings or double quoted strings.